What if genius woodworking tools could boost precision, save time, and transform the way you work with wood? Today, we'll see what these gadgets are really capable of. If you'd like, you can buy these gadgets using the links in the description and share your thoughts in the comments. So, let's dive in. Check out this amazing CNC aluminum jig. It makes woodworking easy and safe. Strong, corrosion-resistant aluminum jig for smooth, precise, and safe cuts. Fits standard T-track tables and works with most saws. Adjustable 2 to 8 inch range with 1/32 inch precision for perfect professional cuts. With tool-free quick adjustment, setup is simple. Change cutting widths fast and save time. This amazing Nick Pro Carpenter Pencil makes your work faster, easier, and perfectly precise. Strong 2.8mm lead marks wood and metal cleanly every time. Sharp, clean lines mark wood and metal easily, even in tight or deep spaces. Everything in one place, ready to use anytime. These gadgets are a must-have for perfect results in every project. Drilling positioning ruler makes woodworking and DIY projects precise and easy. Every drill, nail, or marking job is now fast, safe, and super precise. This tool with adjustable blocks and dual-axis bubble ensures perfect lines and angles. Try this tool to make your projects easier, faster, and professional. This angle clamp holds 90-degree corners perfectly in every woodworking project. With adjustable stainless steel jaws, this clamp grips wood, metal, or glass perfectly. Make every cabinet, furniture, or frame fast, safe, and perfectly aligned. Comfortable rubberized handle, work longer without hand fatigue. Get this clamp to make your woodworking easy, safe, and perfect. Link in description. Small yet powerful cordless rotary tool, easy and fun for every woodworking projects. Sanding, polishing, drilling, or engraving, lightweight tool for full control and precision. 5 speeds, fast USB charging, and 200 minutes of power. Get every job done. 69 accessories, 1 kit for DIY crafts, resin work, kids projects, and gifts. A genius cordless rotary tool for easy, fun, and professional projects. One adjustment creates any shape with perfect lines and angles. One tool, 15+ marking uses, from tiling to furniture fitting. Change the shape, lock it in, and get the same precision every time. High-quality aluminum body, lightweight, durable, and built to last. Clear scale and easy control, draw parallel lines and arcs in seconds. Small and lightweight, pocket-ready for professional marking anywhere. Where the Nick Pro Pencil fails, this adjustable marking tool delivers. Edge banding trimmer, perfect straight, curved, and chamfered edges in one pass. Sharp stainless blade, smooth, clean, and consistent cuts. Ergonomic non-slip grip, no hand fatigue on long projects. Zero vibe design, full control, straight cuts, and pro results. Use it once and see the difference. Clean edges, zero hassle. This foldable work table sets up in seconds. Take your workstation anywhere. Safe projects. P-Top's design protects from marks and blade damage. This workbench adapts to all your tools, perfect for custom setups. Fold, carry, and set up a professional workbench anywhere. Upgrade your workshop. Check these gadgets now via the link. This magnetic digital angle finder measures every angle perfectly, no mistakes. Get professional results in every woodworking or table saw task with precision. Magnetic base on all sides, stick to metal surfaces, and keep hands free. Its laser light also helps you see and measure angles accurately. Large, clear LED display, read every angle instantly, even in daylight. Indoors or outdoors, right in every environment. Speed up work. Upgraded router bracket, perfect precision for slots or circular milling. Compatible with 99% of routers, every angle and cut always precise. Quick detach design, assemble or disassemble in one click for easy work. Router guide seamlessly integrated for complete versatility in every cut. Cabinet template, router plate, and templates all in one tool. Rotary companion, easy and professional milling and trimming every time. This honing guide sharpens every chisel and planer blade at perfect angles. No mistakes. Woodworking tools stay sharp just like new. With widened roller, just move back and forth for sharp, smooth blades. And achieve the best results every time. Sharpen every edge at the perfect angle with the angle fixing tool. Fully compatible with chisels and planer blades of all sizes. Flatting stone plus honing guide, perfect sharpening for every project. Titanium blades, longer life, fewer replacements, perfect cuts every time. Wood, metal, plastic, or nails, this versatile set works on every material. Wavy tooth design ejects chips and heat, smooth cuts and longer tool life. Works with most major oscillating tools. Easy, versatile, and convenient. These gadgets are perfect for every project. 5, 10, and 15 inches in one contour gauge. Measure once, cut once. Lock the shape in place and complete your cuts with zero mistakes. Weird or complex shapes. This profile gauge copies every angle perfectly. Add gauges to measure more. Measure once, cut once, save time, and get professional results. Small tool, big results. A must-have gauge for every craftsman. One saw, 2 cuts, rip and cross-cut made easy for every joint. This saw cuts on the pull, not push. Less effort, more precision. Pull cut technology. Thin curve, clean cut, zero splinters. Dovetail or tenon, every joint with a perfect professional finish. Solid walnut handle. Beauty and control in one. A pull saw that sizes stock and gives joints perfect precision. Upgrade your workshop, check out, and get these tools now. Magnetic wristband. Keep screws, nails, and bits close for easy DIY. With powerful magnets, no screw or nail ever drops. Work fast and safe. Screws, bolts, or washers. Everything in one place. Tools always ready. One size fits most, adjustable to fit any wrist comfortably. Use it on your wrist, belt, or workbench, easy anywhere. Stylish, durable, and practical, a wristband that truly upgrades any toolbox. If you enjoyed these gadgets, like the video, subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comments. Every opinion matters to us and helps us bring you even more awesome gadget videos.